Now, don't get thrown when they have given you a strange looking question like this, where they have x and something done to the x as part of the input. You're going to replace x with x plus 1 on one side of the equation, and you're going to replace x with 2x minus 3 on the other side of the equation. So let's look at our values here. We've got y is equal to 3x plus 5. There's our definition. And we've one piece of information here, and that first piece of information is that I need to replace x with x plus 1, which means y will be 3 by x plus 1 plus 5. So y will be 3x plus 3 plus 5. That's 3x plus 8. You can do this all in one step. I'm just laying it out like this so you can see where it's coming from. So if you want to just do this in one long row, if you understand what's happening, that's fine to do as well. The second piece of information is this, and they're equal to each other, so they're both equal to y. So the second piece of information is that x is equal to 2x minus 3. So into my formula, I'm replacing y equals 3 bracket 2x minus 3 plus 5. I multiply out. So y is equal to 6x minus 9 plus 5, or y is equal to 6x minus 4. Okay, so that's the second piece of information. Now, it said they're equal. They're both equal to y, so they're both equal to each other. They're equal to each other. So because of that, I can go ahead, set them equal to each other, and have an equation with one unknown that I solve. So 3x plus 8 is equal to 6x minus 4. Doesn't matter which way around we write that. Bring the x's to one side. 3x minus 6x is equal to minus 8 minus 4. Minus 3x is equal to minus 12. Divide across by minus 3. So x is equal to 4. X is equal to plus 4. Let's check what that means. When x is equal to 4, x plus 1 is 5. So we have 20 here. 15 plus 5, 20. When x is equal to 4, 2x minus 3 is also equal to 5. Okay. Now, that's not always the case. It's not always the case that when you just sub it in here, you get them equal to each other. But what's important is that the output is the same. So when I sub in 5 here, I get the same answer. Because they're linear, actually, they would have had to be. But this is how you approach questions like this. They've told you that the output for this format of the function, the output of that format of the function, is the same as the output for this format of the function. So you find out what that output looks like, and you set them equal to each other to solve for x.